Introducing 1st-line's Vito Espresso coffee grinder. Now, like many industrial coffee grinding machines, the Vito has a built-in cooling fan, which you're going to hear once I turn this on. Hallelujah. Now, because of this cooling fan, this makes the Vito ideal for cafe settings. However, that's not to say this wouldn't be a lovely addition for your home espresso setup. Now, like many of our other quality products here at 1st-line Equipment, this machine was built in Italy. So you will notice that once you take this machine out of the box and take a look at the display screen here, there's a possibility that it may be in Italian. But that's okay because it's very simple to change your language preferences to English if that's what you prefer to do, just by holding down the settings button. Now, the Vito is 23 inches high, 8.5 inches wide, and 15 inches in depth. This is a stepped grinder, and you'll notice there is a numbered adjustment wheel underneath the bean hopper here. Now, we actually just used this machine in a recent video about grinding adjustments, which you can take a look at in the description box. We've provided the link for you. Now, if you turn the adjustment wheel clockwise, you will produce a finer grind, whereas if you turn it counterclockwise, you will produce a coarser grind. There's also a setting lock here to keep the current grind settings. The Vito has 75mm burrs, which is large, and that results in faster production and better heat dissipation. Now, you can gain access to the burrs and grinding chamber by removing the bean hopper and then turning the adjustment dial in the direction of coarse grinding. There's a large sized and removable catch tray. The bean hopper is also large capacity and it holds approximately 3.3 pounds of coffee. There's a removable finger guard directly in the center of the bean hopper to prevent the user from putting their fingers in the grinding burrs. There are set screws to secure the hopper to the grinder, as you'll see here. The stopper is at the bottom of the hopper, and that allows the removal of the hopper with coffee beans still in it. The Vito has an easy-to-read digital display, which you'll see right here. It's also super easy operation, and as we mentioned before, there's a built-in cooling fan. Now, this will keep down the overall temperature of the grinder, as well as prevent less heat buildup within the burrs and faster grinding times. The Vito is recognizable for its fast production rate and easy operation controls. With features this powerful, it really is no secret why this is one of our favorite espresso coffee grinders here at 1st-line. So we hope you enjoyed learning about 1st-line's Vito Espresso coffee grinder today. As usual, if you have any questions or comments or concerns, leave them in the comment box. We'll get right back to you. Take a look at our description box and don't forget to visit us at 1stline.com.